let's go ahead and try this example. The first step I need to do to find the inverse of a function and take the inverse, in this case we have g, I'm going to replace every function f of x with y. So in this case we have g of x, so let's copy that down again. G of x equals 2x minus 3 over 5 minus x. So now I'm going to take the function, and what am I going to replace it with, class? Let's replace it with a y. So now I have y equals 2x minus 3 over 5 minus x. So we just did step number 1. Now what do I need to do, class? We're going to switch the x and the y. So instead of writing the x's, I'm going to write y's. Instead of the y's, I'm going to write x equals 2y minus 3 over 5 minus y. Okay. Step number 3, we need to solve for y. What does that mean? On one side of the equation, notice here, this is already solved for x. X is solved for in terms of y. Do you notice how they're separated? One side has the x, and all the other side has the y. So we're going to do that with the y variable. We're going to get y by itself, and the other side is going to have all x's. Well, to do this, I'm probably going to get rid of the fraction first. So you can do a couple of things. You can cross multiply, or to get rid of this fraction, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 minus y. Multiply this side by 5 minus y. Let's go ahead and distribute on this side. Class, what do I get? 5x times negative xy. We write our, it's not wrong to say negative yx, but we write them alphabetical. You'll notice that your 5 minus y's cancel, equals 1, and you're left with 2y minus 3. I'm going to get the y's together there. So I'm going to add xy. Class, what am I left with?
5x equals 2y
plus xy. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides. I'm left with 5x plus 3 equals 2y plus xy. To get these y's together, I'm going to factor out the y. So I'm left with 2 plus x equals 5x plus 3. And to get rid of the 2 plus x, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 plus x. It's a plus. And then I'm going to be left with 5x plus 3 over 2 plus x equals y. And in the last step, what am I going to do, class? Take the y and put back your original function, but the inverse of that function. So we'll have the inverse of g of x equals 5x plus 3 over 2 plus x. And normally we like to write the y equals or the function on the left side. So inverse of g equals 5x plus 3 over 2 plus x. And this is how we found the inverse of g of x.